Hello all, welcome back to the channel. In this session, let us see how to obtain the orthographic projections of the given isometric projection. Let us obtain this isometric projection. Let us try to recreate the same machine component and obtain the orthographic views, that is front view, top view and the side view for the same. Let us make use of SolidWorks 2022 software for the same. Double click the SolidWorks 2022. It scans for a while and opens. Yes, first thing is, let us create a new part diagram. Since it is 3D modeling, let us go for part diagram. Yes, this indicates the front view, right side view and the top view. Now try to recreate the front view dimensions as it is. Go for sketch option, select the front plane, go for sketching. Try to create the same profile as seen in the front view. As it is, let us try to create it. Make use of a line command. Create this L-shaped profile. Later we can update the dimension. Yes, now solid component is prepared. What is the dimension? Horizontal dimension is 100 mm followed by thickness is 10 mm. Make use of smart dimension. Go for selection. This is 100 mm and the thickness is 13. Make it as 10 mm. And towards the left hand side, the height is 40 mm. Update the dimension as 40 mm. The distance between these two lines, that is arch what it is there, that is semicircle what we can see, that is also 40 mm. So from this point to the next point, update the dimension as 40 mm. So here we can see one circle followed by a semicircle exactly at the midpoint of 40 mm height. So go for circle. There is option called a circle. Go for circle exactly at the midpoint. If you place the cursor, you can see the midpoint option. So from there, draw one circle and one semicircle. The circle dimension is clearly seen here under the heading diameter 20. The dimensions are clearly mentioned here. Here it is showing 17.11. Make it as, update it as 20 mm. Followed by, what is the dimension of the semicircle? Dimension of the semicircle you need not worry. Why? Because it is just coinciding with the two end lines. We can see here it is coinciding with the two end lines. Since it is only a semicircle, the bottom portion is not required. Let us remove this one. Even the reference line what we have drawn is not required. Let us remove this one. So this completes the sketch. And you can see a small fillet here, 1 mm or 2 mm fillet. Let us do that portion in 3-dimension view. Here also you can do it. Go for fillet option, select these two, but let us try to do it in 3D. Once you have obtained this sketch, go for exit. Let us exit from the sketch. So it is free from dimension now. Make use of features option. There is one option called as Extruded Boss base. You can see the pre-animated video there. Just a 1 second video. The dimension is getting extruded. It's along the other dimension, that is Z axis, it is getting extended as per the given length. This you can see a small pre-animated video. It's self-explanatory. Let us select this one. You can see the extrusion is in the process. You can see that it is getting its own thickness now. If you select this one, you can see there is an interchange in the arrow mark, call it as a reverse direction. Okay, and meanwhile it is asking from where it should extrude, from the sketch or from surface plane, vertex or offset. Let us go for from sketch plane. So which direction? This direction or the other reverse direction? Any dimension for that matter. But I will select it as midplane. So from the midplane it is getting extended. You can see there. What is the dimension of extension? That one we can see in the right side view, that is given as 50 mm. So call this dimension as 50. Yes, press OK. Now you can see a machine component 3-dimension view is obtained. For better view, click on Ctrl 1 for front view, Ctrl 7 for isometric view, Ctrl 5 for top view, Ctrl 2 for right side view, control 3 for left side view. You can get n number of figure, but control 1, control 5, control 7. Front view, top view, isometric view respectively. Yes. Now don't you think this is obtained? There is a small fillet to be done. Let us go for the fillet. I think fillet we can keep it at last. Now don't you think there is a rib structure here? Okay, there is a triangular structure. This is called as a rib. So it acts as a supporting element. Now, and where is the rib? Don't you think this is towards the back side of the machine component? Now rotate the sketch, which is the front view. This is the front view. Now back side to the sketch, select this surface. You can see here, select right click on this one, sketch. So it rotates and you are getting a sketch something like this. Now make use of line command. This point as the center, draw a line till it touches the end of the circle. But don't know whether it is accurate or not. Click on control button in your keypad. Click on this line and the circle circumference and give the option as add relation tangent. Automatically when you keep the control and select the two, the tangent will be highlighted. Select these two. You can see if I click on this one, there is a shift in the line. Yes. And also you can see the symbol here that indicates it is tangent. Fine. Once if you are getting like this, you can stop here, go for exit sketch. Once if you come out of the sketch, if you just keep the mouse roller and if you just rotate it, you can see where is the line now. Line is exactly at the boundary. Now make use of option called as rib. See the name, as I told you, it is clearly giving you the definition. It is a thin walled support to a solid body. Select this one. You can see now the thickness is created. You can see the three options here under thickness. The first one is the first side. You are getting towards the one side of the machine component. The second one is the mid plane, that is along the both the sides. And the third one is towards the left outside, that is towards the other side. It is calling it a second side. As per my requirement, don't you think I should select the third option here? Clear? And next, coming back to the sketch, what is the thickness here? Thickness, don't you think this is 10 mm? Exactly. Give the dimension as 10 mm. Click OK. Now you can see a rib is obtained. Next thing is, I want to add fillet for this one. Make use of option called as fillet. So where to fillet? Items to fillet exactly at this portion. Can you see the structure of the fillet here? Yes. What is the value of the fillet radius? It is already taken 10 mm. 10 mm is not required. Just go for 1 mm since it is not given. A small fillet is more than enough. So this is the final sketch. Now one can click on the option control 1 for the front view, control 2 for the back side view, control 3 and control 4 for left view and right side view, control 5 for the top view and control 7 for the isometric view. If you want to change the color, yes, you can do it. There is an option called as edit appearance. You can select this one. You can change any color of your choice that's left here. Now let me select this one. Press OK so that it will take the effect. Make use of file option, save as. I will save it as part 1 diagram like this. Next, I want to obtain the orthographic views, that is front view, top view and side view from this sketch. There is an option called as, from the file command, there is option called as make drawing from part. So select this one. Click on A4 size sheet, custom sheet size. I'll give it as 297 mm by 210 mm so that a sheet is obtained. And by this time you can see front, top, right, back, left, bottom and isometric and diametric views are obtained. So before selecting front view, top view, please make sure that keep an eye on mmgs, millimeter, gram, second, followed by keep an eye on whether it is 1:1 scale or other scale factor is there. So it is 1:1 scale factor. I think we can proceed. And next, click on sheet properties, right click the mouse button, select first angle projection. Yes, initially it is in third angle projection. Select first angle projection, apply changes. Now towards the right side of the screen you can see a palette is obtained. Yes, what we wanted is the front view, top view and the right view. Observer is looking from the front, top and the right. Right means we should show the view towards left hand side. Click on front view, drag the front view projection and place it on the sheet. Now just below the front view, move the mouse cursor, we can get the top view. Next, observer is looking from the right and the drawing will be projected on the left. That can be seen towards the left hand side. So now press escape here. What I wanted is the isometric view. Select the isometric view and place it here. Select the whole isometric view. Come down here, display style option is there. So in the display style we can select the fourth one, that is shaded with edges. All the edges are clearly visible. Now make use of smart dimension, update all the dimensions. So this will be the end of the sketch. You can clearly observe even the fillet is also visible. This 1 mm fillet is very clearly visible in the top view as well as in the side view. The two lines indicates the fillet lines. So this completes the solution. The manual drawing for the same machine component is drawn as per 1:1 scale and uploaded on the YouTube channel. The link for the video is given to you in the description box for your reference. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and request you to share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe this channel for more such videos. I will talk to you in the comments. Have a nice time. Thank you.